What's up, man? It's your boy. You already know who it is. No need for the introductions. All right, man. Let's hop straight into some TA about BNGO. Today's your day, and if you didn't know, you're about to find out what is going on here, guys. We have earnings coming up. Hey, Doge Wolf. Yeah, man, this thing's gonna take us to the moon. This is the catalyst we need. Well,
it doesn't even work.
They say history repeats itself in stocks. And this happens to be the case for BNGO. Let's take a look at its earning dates of past and what has happened to BNGO. Doesn't look good. Whoa, doesn't look good. Wait a minute. These earning days don't seem to send this stock going up at all. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. How? Let's look at these recent earnings. What? Hold up. Wait a minute. I thought the YouTube traders, BNGO guy said that this thing was gonna moon, but after every earnings, it has fall. During the day or after the day. Well, let me tell you guys, I do have a date for my bull coat, and if you do follow me at Webull, you did see me post that my bull coat will be on Thursday of next week. I will not be buying the day of earnings. I will not be buying before the day of earnings. And guess what? No investor will. Maybe the day after, pump it up one more time, but nah. History has a bad way of repeating itself with BNGO, and we can see every earnings date has been red, with the exceptions of a few. And when they are green, that's what they end red. Not good for BNGO, if you didn't know. So you have these YouTubers hyping up earnings date. Yeah, man, put on your rocket caps. We're going to Saturn's moon. No, we have failed to lift off once again, BNGO, if you didn't know. Those wolf got you. What is happening? Why is it falling? Well, this company really doesn't have any good fundamentals. And yeah, they'll pump it up again. Don't worry. It will get pumped the day after. And that's when Doge will be buying. So let's go take a look at some TA here. Get everybody up to speed. Because they're not going to get up to speed on other channels. I'm sorry to inform you. All right. If you didn't know, now you know. You're in the downward channel, BNGO. And not just any downward channel. This downward channel support has become resistance. That support being at that 608. How did I get that 608? Well, that's just one of the targets, the PT targets for that descending triangle that I did draw. And if you didn't know about that descending triangle, now you do know. Go watch other videos. I can't reiterate anymore. So just watch those. So yeah. Now we have support becoming resistance. Those other YouTubers they just don't know. They just didn't take that in consideration. And they think that major investors will be buying at the 200 MA every time. No, that doesn't, no. Sorry, it doesn't happen like that. But what you can see is some bearish signals coming up here at the top of this downward channel. We have a bearish bell hold, another bearish bell hold, and well, what does that look like to you guys?
We're literally free falling.
So that being said, what can we see in store from BNGO leading into the earnings day? Definitely more red ahead, in my opinion. And let's go take a look at this TA and see why that is, or why I believe that to be so. But like I said, that support is becoming resistance now. And you can see that on the daily chart. Let's go into the 4 hour and see what's going on there. And see if we could see anything as well. And yeah, we definitely do have some bearish signals popping up in here. So, yep, bearish bell hold, bearish engulfing. And over here, dark cloud covers. From the bottom side, what do we see? Definitely a bullish engulfing here. Almost a full signal, but not. Well, we got 2 bullish signals from the bottom. And yeah, but definitely some more bearish signals from the top side. Even though they're not that strong, they're still bearish signals nonetheless. Like I said, we had support becoming resistance recently, and you can see that over here, it just doesn't want to stay above that line. And definitely got rejected Friday, and I'm expecting more rejection come Monday. So we may even see 608 going into, Monday morning, but definitely expect this bad boy to come down, 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 down. And you're just going to be like, oh man, what is going on? Well, it's free falling. It's just falling, and it's just falling.
We did all that for nothing, basically.
And you can expect that to happen during earnings date as well.
Okay, so there's
leading into earnings day.
Okay, so we did all that for nothing, basically.
Definitely may see this thing tank a little bit more, because history likes to repeat itself, and definitely in the stock market. And this is Biden's market. This is Biden's stock market. This is not the bull rock market of Trump. Be informed. So yeah, you could buy during earnings, buy before earnings, whatever may have you. But Doge will not be purchasing not a single share. The bears are still here, and they're going to show their strengths come Monday, Tuesday, and definitely Wednesday in the earnings. It's not going to be looking good for the stock at all. And if it's good, guess what? After the bears done crash this thing to $5, they'll buy it. Sure will I, and hey, surely everyone else. So I definitely expect that to be something to come true. We will see BNGO start to go down, 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 down. So, hey, man, may hit 604, 605, may even touch that 606. But BNGO, man, look, I'm sorry, but some of you guys are being prepared to become bag holders until Daddy Doge Wolf buys in at the right price. And you look at this video and be like, oh man, he was right again. No, I may be wrong, but most likely I'm right. So yeah, we'll definitely see BNGO come down. Earnings has definitely been proven to be the worst catalyst for BNGO, and I don't expect that to be now. I don't expect that to change anytime soon. So yeah, those other YouTubers can hype up earnings date. Oh man, we're gonna blow past predictions and expectations. But guess what? In order for BNGO to keep this current stock price, they'd have to triple the amount of revenue that they make. And I don't see that happening. But guess what? We got presentations. But guess what? This has been a presentation by Doge Wolf himself, BNGO, higher lows. And if you didn't know, a lower one is definitely coming before earnings and or during that earnings day. I will be buying in on Thursday. Guess what? See you then.